In 1848, Lord Dalhousie introduced the Doctrine of Lapse. Any princely state without a direct heir would be annexed by the British Empire. No successor? No kingdom. It didn't matter if you'd served loyally for decades.
और आज सिलिकॉन वैली में सेम डॉक्ट्रिन चल रहा है। गूगल ने 12,000 लॉग निकले, मेटा ने 21,000। 20 years का लॉयल्टी? Doesn't matter. One bad quarter और insufficient impact kingdom lapse हो गई।
Dalhousie claimed he was modernizing India, making it efficient. The kingdoms he swallowed, Satara, Jhansi, Nagpur, had built infrastructure, paid taxes, maintained order. But efficiency demanded consolidation.
Efficiency. ये मैजिक वर्ड है। CEOs भी यही बोल रहे हैं, राइट साइजिंग, ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, AI ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। But real talk. It's the same land grab. Workers built the empire, now they're being annexed out of their own creation.
What fascinates me is the language. Dalhousie never said conquest, he spoke of stewardship, benevolent governance. The company's shareholders came first, always. Sounds familiar?
बिल्कुल. Stakeholder value, fiduciary duty. Nobody's saying we are extracting wealth. They're saying strategic realignment. Rani Lakshmibai lost Jhansi for lacking an heir. Today's engineers are losing jobs for lacking what? An AI replacement?
And here's the deeper parallel, those annexed kingdoms didn't vanish quietly. Jhansi's loss became the spark for 1857. When you strip people of dignity under the guise of progress, you plant revolution.
देखो, the tech worker unions forming right now, the AI regulation protests, the strikes, history's not repeating, but it's definitely rhyming. The annexed are organizing.
Every empire believes its extraction is innovation. The Doctrine of Lapse taught us that loyalty without power is just a prelude to dispossession.
And every worker is learning what every kingdom learned, efficiency is just empire's favorite excuse. No heir, no job, no kingdom, same game, new nameplate.